Pixel, will you settle down? Come on, hey. Look at the two. They're all settled down already. Pixel, ano ba? Kalma na, please. Wix. Pixel. Where are you going? Settle down. Hoy! Pixel! Jesus Christ. What? Wixie! Come here. Settle down. Come here. Down. Oh, good girl. Oh, that's better than... Don't put my elbow in your mouth, you weirdo. What? What are you looking at again? Why are you so fucking hyper? Pixel, what do you want? Pixel, what the fuck is up with you? Dude, look at your sisters. Bye. The two girls are sleeping lang, oh. Are you awake? Sorta.